Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock apps on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to lock your apps, so let's see how can you do that. You have a simple way to lock an app. For example, if you want to lock your Instagram app, so just keep a long press on it, and you'll get the option of required passcode. So here first, let's try it. Here you can see I have tapped on Instagram and it's going open. Now I'm going to log it. So simply keep a long press on it. Then select require passcode. And here you just have to select hide and require passcode or only required passcode. I'm going to only select required passcode here, and you just have to enter your iPhone passcode. Once you have entered, you have successfully set it to lock. So you just have to simply tap on it, and it will require you to enter passcode, and then you can easily access the app. So let's try another. I'm going to lock my Facebook. So keep a long press on it, and here you'll get the option of required passcode. Simply select that, and then select required passcode. Enter your passcode and you have done. Now whenever you want to open your Facebook, you just have to enter your passcode first, and then you can easily access your app. So in this way you can easily set passcode lock on any app on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.